Alright, what's up guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I put the wide body chassis on my converted MT to an ET, and I sorted a few things out that I'm sure have been covered before, but that servo horn is an M2C horn. It originally didn't fit, but it actually comes with a little lock washer, so I put the lock washer underneath the horn, and it actually gave me just enough space, because before it was actually locking down and then the servo wouldn't turn. And then you do have to Dremel a little bit to get a slight bit more steering, and then because that horn is taller, I had to space out some shims. It's just not focusing. I had to space out some shims underneath there because this is a lot taller horn, and this is a pretty tall servo too. This is a Bluebird servo, so it might not be an issue with other servos. But this does add a little weight, but I don't mind. I'm going to be able to send this thing and not worry about it. I've still got my same braces that I've had, same ESC, same motor, and then shout out to Steven Gonzalez. He sent me his old, this is the 6061 brace, because I actually broke mine before I did this chassis upgrade. He got the new 7075 one, so he sent this to me. So thanks, buddy. And this thing is freaking crazy. I don't know if I can one-hand this right now, but yeah, I can't do the one-handed driving like some people do. But I was just messing around with this thing, and it handles great like it always has. I don't think the extra weight is really affecting my performance at all. On my Futaba 3PV, I've got the steering dual rate set at about 65%. I think before I did this swap I was at about 70, so I didn't really lose much in the way of steering. So if you guys are on the fence about this, I say do it, and we'll do some more running. I'll put the phone down and grab the GoPro. I don't think the extra weight is affecting it anyway. Nice. I didn't know you were gonna love the snow so much. Go for it. Nice. Wow, I love it. I haven't taken this one off the big ramp yet because I had so much chassis bending issues. No fear now. Nice, love it. That was good. Oh, the second time I've done that. Under rotate, just plant it right in the nose. There we go. All right, wide body chassis, Tekno ET. Now it's all muddy. I got some cleanup to do. We'll talk to you guys next time. Alright, I couldn't help myself. This is not made for that type of jumping. All right, that was awesome. Had to do it at least a couple times.